Hello everyone, this is Market Formula. Thank you for joining me again. On this video, we'll be looking at the All Share Index of the Nigerian stock market, and we will also look at stocks that you can buy in the month of October 2023. So let's quickly check the All Share Index of the Nigerian stock market. Let me bring the chart up. This is the All Share Index of the Nigerian stock market. So you can see that we've had 1, 2, 3 weeks of bears action, but when we look at the last support, when we consider the candlesticks looking at the candlestick, we have a higher close here this week that I'm pointing at, and this other week they are higher close. So I expect that market reacts to the low of the week this week. I expect that market reacts to it. That's why we are having a little bit of reaction here, and see that this week is forming a slightly bullish candle. Let me step it down to the daily and see what is actually happening. So when we look at it on this zone that I marked here, market is just trying to find support around that zone. So let me stretch it further. So if market should break this level, this is another level for support. Market breaks the level, we have another level here for support. So we have many support. Where is the trend? The trend is up. What is currently happening? The market is retracing, and from the look of things, this will most likely be a support. On the daily, you can see that we have a higher close here. This is a higher close, so the low of this day is also a support. So I expect some reaction today. Most likely the market should close bullish. Today is Friday, so we still hope. Let's see what is going to happen, because yesterday the market gained 0.13%, and looking at the technical indicators of trading view, and see that the market is currently neutral. For 1 week now, market has lost 0.14%. For 1 month, it has lost 2.50%. And in the 3 months range, the market has gained 7%. So you can also check this for direction. So looking at my momentum had already switched to the negative side. Anytime the momentum switch to the negative side, is an opportunity for buyers to actually come in. This level of, let's say, 68,000 is actually a confirmed resistance. So let me put a line there. Why do I say it's a confirmed resistance? Why do I say it's a confirmed resistance? The momentum has switched to the negative side. Let me show you what I mean. Every time momentum switch to the negative side like this, this is my confirmed resistance, because market switch. So I need a break. And how do I know that is a break? The candle has to be big. You can see that this day's candle is a very big bullish candle, which crosses above the resistance. So for us to have a confirmed break of this 68,500 level, then the market should close with a strong bullish candle above this level. Until that happens, this level of 68,500 is a strong resistance. So that will be all for the All Share Index. Let's look at the stocks that we can buy this month of October. Let me put up my scanner. From my scanner, I can see I have 12 stocks under strong buy. I'll just cherry pick, so I'm not going to spend too much time on each one. Any chart that seems that I find interesting, that's the chart that I will look at, because I have not actually checked this chart beforehand. So this is too high. That's Julius Berger. This is still a very good stock that you can buy. Let me analyze this one. This stock is International Breweries PLC. What is actually happening? This swing, there's a swing here, but this swing is higher than this swing, so I'll connect the lows that created those swing, which is an internal trend. You can see that the market is just trying to come out of a downtrend. You can see this is a downtrend, but this level has been broken. But this level of 2 naira 45 kobo is actually a good support. So it's a confirmed support. And if I look at it on the monthly too, you can see that this was the previous support that caused this strong bull. So market just came there to mitigate this level. This is just mitigation. It just came into it and immediately spiked back up. So from the look of things going forward, if you can buy international brewery, we get it at, let's say, 4 naira 50 kobo thereabout, around the low of this place. Around here. So 450 kobo is actually a good entry for this stock. Then let me check for projection. We want to project for this stock. Still very technical until this candle can break above this level again. Then it can expose this high. But from what I'm looking at, I'm not saying, let me check. Okay. So first level of profit, you can take your profit at 9 naira 90 kobo. 9 naira 90 kobo should be, because it confluences with the midpoint of this channel. So for international breweries, I think this is a good stock that you can buy in the month of October. Veritas Capital, wow, Veritas Capital also finding support at this critical level, which is very, very key. Price is actually below the midpoint of the channel. It's struggling, but for how many weeks? For like 4 or 5 weeks now, the market, these sellers have not been able to push it lower than this price. So what do we expect? I expect some reaction also like this. This stock is interesting for me. So if you get it around 25 kobo, it's good. It might take some time because we are currently below the midpoint of the channel. Assuming this is forming above here, yes, I will know that, okay, the bulls, the buyers are strong, but for now the bears are still in control. But I can see that it's a real struggle between the buyers and the seller at this particular zone. So for Veritas Capital, that's for Veritas Capital. This stock is moving too slowly for me. It's moving too slowly for me. So I don't really like a stock like this. If you have it, you can take profit, because I'm still holding this stock actually. Let me show you where I'm planning to come out. I'm planning to come out at this level. I can get out as maybe 2 naira 15 kobo. It's okay. It's too slow. It's struggling. Might take a very long while before it will get to where it's going. Okay, this is also a very interesting one, but there's no clear break yet. The trend is not really clear. The trend is not really clear. The market is just struggling. So from here, from this level to this level, it's more like a zone. It's more like a range. So it's more like a range. So everything that happened here is just a mitigation. It's a liquidity grab. You just come here, grab the liquidity for a higher high. But this is a lower low. This is forming a channel, but that channel is not parallel. It's forming a channel that is expanding. That's an expanding channel. So But if the market is going to obey that which I'm seeing, forming an expanding channel of something like this, that's what is happening. So the best entry for this stock actually is 8 naira 55 kobo. That's for UAC. Okay. This is too high. I'm not too comfortable with that. Not too comfortable. It's too high. Chance is too high. All right. Vitafoam. Market is finding support at this critical level. There has been a series of higher high here. So this descending channel, if you have bought around here, then this would have been a first profit target. But let me see if we can still have another entry. There is a higher high here. So let's connect the low that created the high. All right. So if you have it, you can still hold it to maybe the top of this channel. But mind you, it's an ascending channel. So the longer it takes to get here, the higher this thing continues to go. An ascending channel. But the best entry for this stock can be somewhere around here, which is 20 naira 90 kobo. If you can get it at 20 naira 90 kobo, this level, I think is a good buy. Amta Warehouse Group, see the way this stock just moved without waiting for anyone. This is too high. Let me check technical rating neutral. Let's see what we can get in neutral. Neutral. Under neutral, how many stock? 16 stock. So let me just quickly run through it. Any chart that I find interesting, I'll check. This is a good chart. This is a Tana. Tana currently at 15 naira, not bad, but we can get it at 13 naira 83 kobo. This level, I think is better. Let me check. Okay, you can get it at this level. The low of last month, which is 12 naira 60 kobo, is good. It's a very good buy. 12 naira 60 kobo for Eternal. This is not interesting. This is a downtrend. I don't really, but if you want to buy in a downtrend, it's also not like, okay, is finding support on the weekly. This is good. If you get entry at 24 kobo, markets can continue like this. This is actually good. I think I'm going to buy this stock anyway. I'll buy this stock. So for Dark Communication, my entry is 23 kobo thereabout. If I can get it at 23 kobo. Let me tell you how this thing works. If you are waiting to get it at 23 kobo, you might not get it. So the best approach is to buy little. You know what I mean? So if you can get it today, let's say you want to buy today, go and look at the bid and the ask. See the buyers are willing to buy, and look at the price the sellers are willing to sell. Then you can use that to now determine your entry for today. So when you buy it today, you can come back next week, maybe around Friday again. See if the price comes lower during the week, you can buy more, because initially you did not buy the volume you intended buying. That's dollar cost averaging. So for Metaverse, okay, Metaverse mining exploration. Let me check this chart too. I think this stock is also a good one. But the challenge I'm looking at the downtrend here. market formed a lower low, series of lower lows, then here, so, and later extended. Okay, so if you can wait for the market to clear this level, then, or you might not wait. If market should clear this level, if we go and hit the top of the channel, or what another possibility that we can have is that there will be a slight pullback again, then markets will still do something like this. So when you look at it, it is a good buy for you. These are the two possibilities I'm looking at. I look at this level too. See, while market is forming a triangle until this level is broken, this uptrend is not resumed. So any buy that you take within here, you make sure that you take your profit at this level until price closes above this descending line before it will now expose the higher these other levels that we are looking at here. So for this stock, entry is at 2 naira 80 kobo, or if you come here and buy at 2 naira 64 kobo, is also another possibility. I'm not looking at that. Guinness. Oh, Guinness have stayed there too long. So I don't know what's going to happen. If you are a long-term trader, is a good buy for a long-term trader. But like me, that I like to if you are a long-term trader, then this stock is for you. If you are a short-term trader, I don't think I want to consider Guinness. It's taking too long at that level. Don't think I'll consider it. And again, the price is high, 65 naira. Okay, FTN Cocoa. FTN Cocoa. What if we can get entry at this level? That is if market can go that far, that low. Okay, so if you can get that, it's better. Or you wait for a higher close. So if this week is too weak because it did not close higher than the high of last week, so I won't consider this as a good entry signal. It's not a good entry signal. A good entry signal is when I see a close of a current week higher than the high of the previous week. Then I see it as a signal to come in, or I wait for price to come and hit a support. This is not okay. Triple G at current price is good. Let me check the monthly. Wow, it's hanging. So I don't know what is going to happen. It might still pull back. Let me see. Wow, might still pull back. Because on the monthly is actually hanging. Has not gotten to a good support. It's still hanging. Transcorp is still high. Okay, let me check. Eco Insurance. Okay, actually higher. So let's connect the low. Okay, so if we get something like this, I think it's better for me. Or we wait until this momentum switch to the negative side, then we'll enter. I don't like this. It's not really forming good signal. This is too high. Morrison hanging. I think I want to buy that. No entry. Downtrend. Okay, that's all. So that will be all for this video. Thank you all for staying till the end. I wish you all a very lovely weekend. Bye for now.